Do you feel like your English is a bit choppy, slow, or bumpy? Then you might be missing this vital sound of American English, the flap T. Every native speaker uses it in every conversation, and you should too. In the remaining seconds of this short 60-second video, I'm going to give you as much flap T practice as I can squeeze in. Listen to me pronounce the word or sentence using the flap T and imitate what you hear. Getting, 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 getting. She's getting on my nerves. She's getting on my nerves. She's getting on my nerves.